Hello students, this is video number 8, chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. So in this video, we will learn how to convert some equations into linear equations. It means in the beginning, they are not linear equations, but after some substitution, it will become linear equations. So here I begin. We will see some equations which are not linear equation, but it can be converted to linear equation after suitable substitution. Now what type of linear are these and what type of substitution we will do? See, this is example number 17 in your book. Equation is 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 13. This is equation number 1. And 5 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 2. Now in these equations, x and y are in the denominator. Now if x and y are in denominator, their power will be minus 1. So you know linear equation degree should be 1. And if x and y are in the denominator, means these are not linear equations. So compare these two equations with the standard form. So what are the standard form of linear equation? These are the standard form of linear equation. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now here x and y are having power 1, but in equation number 1 and equation number 2, x and y are having equation power minus 1, which is not a linear equation. Now how to make it linear equation? See, this is not linear equation, but it can be converted into the standard form of linear equation by some suitable substitution. What are those substitution? This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and it can be further written as, see, I can write 1 upon x like this and 1 upon y like this, and here also this is second equation. So in this, 1 upon x and 1 upon y can be written as some variable. Say, let 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. Put this value in equation 1 and equation 2, you will get 2u plus 3v is equal to 13, and 5u minus 4v is equal to minus 2. Now try to understand that this is the linear pair and we can find the value of u and v, but we have to find the value of x and y, not u and v. So first we will find the value of u and v by any method. You already know three methods, three algebraic method you already know. Now solve this pair of linear equation by any algebraic method that you prefer. I'm not solving it for you, I'll solve for x and y. After solving, I hope you must have solved. After solving, you will find the value of u as 2 and value of v is equal to 3. You know, at the time of substitution, 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. We have substituted this value. Now put the value of u and v to find the value of x and y. So here 1 upon x is equal to 2 and 1 upon y is equal to 3. We can do reciprocal to find the value of x and y. Take reciprocal of both the equations, you will find x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. So this is the value of x and y. In this way, we can convert some non-linear equations to linear equations and form the standard form, and by any method, any algebraic method, we can solve the pair of linear equation. See, one more example to understand the same method. How in the coming question, linear equations would not be there, but we will convert it into linear equation. This is example number 19. A boat goes 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. Determine the speed of stream, that is water, and that of the boat. We have to find the speed of stream and boat. How to find this? See the solution. Now, let the speed of the boat is x kilometer per hour and speed of water is y kilometer per hour. Now, I'm making a diagram for you. Say this is the river I'm making a river for you, and the water which is going downside is this. Say this is the water going in the river, and direction of the water is this. Water always go downside. And say I'm making a boat also for you. Say this is the boat, and this boat is going in which direction? See, if it is going against the water, then it is called upstream, and if the boat is going along with the water, it is called downstream. So if speed of the boat is x kilometer per hour and speed of water is y kilometer per hour, then if the boat will go against the water, what will be the speed of the boat? So x minus y, because if it is going upstream, water will slow down the speed of the boat, and if the boat is going downstream, means along the water, it will be increased by the water. So speed will be increased by the water. It will become x plus y. So you need to understand this concept, that if boat is going along the water, speed will increase, so x plus y. If the boat is going against the water, water will stop the boat. It will slow down the speed of the boat, so it will become x minus y. So here is the result. Then according to question, speed of the boat, that is downstream, x plus y kilometer per hour, and speed of boat upstream is x minus y kilometer per hour. So this is the speed of the boat, upstream and downstream. Different speeds are there. And you already know time is equal to distance upon speed. This formula you have done, you have already done this formula. Now if in first case, when the boat goes 30 kilometer upstream, the time would be, total distance covered is 30, upstream speed is, you already know, x minus y. So this is the time taken by the boat. Time is equal to distance upon speed. And when it is going downstream, 44 kilometer downstream, then the time is equal to 44, that is distance, upon x plus y, that is speed. So total time going up and coming down is given in the question. Say, and total time upstream and downstream is 10 hours. So according to this upstream downstream time, 30 upon x minus y plus 44 upon x plus y is equal to 10. This is equation number 1. We will use this equation while solving the for x and y. And in the second case, there is one more case in which the formula, same formula we will use, time is equal to distance upon speed. When the boat goes 40 kilometer upstream, then the time is equal to 40 upon x minus y. And when the boat goes 55 kilometer downstream, then the time is equal to 55 upon x plus y. Now upstream downstream total time is also given in the question. The total time upstream plus downstream is equal to 13 hours. It is given in the question. So 13 is equal to the time taken by upstream and downstream. So 40 upon x minus y plus 55 upon x plus y is equal to 13. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now we will solve both the equations. But to solve linear equation, x and y power should be 1. But here x and y are again in the denominator. We have to do some suitable substitution to solve x for x and y. See, what are the substitution we can do? Let 1 upon x minus y is equal to u, and 1 upon x plus y is equal to v. Now put this in equation number 1 and equation number 2. You will get 30u plus 44v is equal to 10, and 40u plus 55v is equal to 13. So these two equations we will solve for u and v. Now solve this pair of linear equation by any method that you prefer. I am solving it using elimination method. You can take any, you can prefer any method. 30u plus 44v is equal minus 10 is equal to 0, and 40u plus 55v minus 13 is equal to 0. So these are two equations, say 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, equation number can be different. Multiply equation number 3 by 4 and 4 by 3. I'm making the coefficient of u equal. If I multiply 3 by 4, it will become 12. If I multiply 4 by 3, it will become 12. So 120 and 120, coefficient of both the equation would be equal. In this way, I'm multiplying it here. See, 120u plus 176v minus 40 is equal to 0, and 120u plus 165v minus 39 is equal to 0. These are two equations. Now we will subtract. Subtract equation number 4 from equation number 3. This is equation number 3, this is equation number 4. Sign change. Now 120u minus 120u would be cancelled, and 176 minus 165 is 11v. 40 minus 39 minus 1. So this is equal to 11v is equal to 1, v is equal to 1 upon 11. So this is the value of v. Put this value of v in any equation, you will get the value of u also. I'm putting this equation 30u plus 44v minus 10 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Say I'm putting this value here, and 11 1s are 11, 11 4s are 44. So 30u plus 4 minus 10 is equal to 0, and this is equal to 6 upon 30. So 6 5s are 30. It will become 1 upon 5. So value of u is equal to 1 upon 5, and value of v is equal to 1 upon 11. This we have calculated. Now we have to find the value of x and y. Put this value, whatever we have substituted earlier, 1 upon x minus y is equal to u, and 1 upon x plus y is equal to v. This is what we have substituted in the beginning. Now you put this value here, you will get this. So 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1 upon 5. Reciprocal this, you will get one value. 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 11. Again, reciprocal it, you will get the value. This is equation and this is equation. Reciprocal of both the equation will give you two more equations in x and y. This is equation number 5. This is equation number 6. What we have done, we have just reciprocal the values. So now solve this for x and y by any method you know. I'm solving it by elimination method. See, adding equation number 5 and 6, you will get this is equation number 5, this is equation number 6, and on adding, y minus y would be cancelled, and you will get 2x minus 16 is equal to 0, and 2x is equal to 16, x is equal to 8. In this way, we have to find the value of y also. See, I'm calculating the value of y. Now put this value in equation number 5, you will get this 8 minus 5 minus 3. So minus y is equal to minus 3. Minus is cancelled with minus. Y is equal to 3, and x you have already calculated, x is equal to 8. So what are the x and y? Hence the speed of boat is 8 km per hour and speed of water is 3 km per hour. In this way, we can solve some equations which are not initially linear equations, but we can convert it into linear equation by some suitable substitution. Now, on the basis of this video, students, you please do exercise 3.6. This video number 8 is dedicated to equation exercise 3.6. In the coming list, so in this list, this is the last video. In the coming playlist, you will see all the solutions of exercise 3.1 to 3.7. All the unsolved exercise would be solved in that, and we will start a new chapter also in one more playlist. Thank you.